Hi my loves, what is up? Ipsy! I live in Canada, so I pay like 21 bucks Canadian. If you want to sign up for it, I have a link down below. This is the bag I got this month. It's pretty plain, pretty meh. Flying colors. I'm guessing, yeah, it's a Pride theme. Cool, coolios. Let's see what I got. I'm not gonna lie, I opened this before because I just couldn't help myself. Something by Bare Minerals. This is the first time I've gotten a Bare Minerals product. I've never had a Bare Minerals product. I've gone to the store and heard good things about them. So this is Vital Power Infusion. This is what it is. Okay, so it's a product that you use on your face after cleansing. 2 pumps over in face and neck, use morning and night. Cool, sounds good. I love skin products. Next, I got something by Cookie Professional. So this is a illuminating concealer in the color medium beige, and it's way too dark for my skin. Yeah, this is gonna be too dark as a concealer, I think. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear this or give this to my mom, but I like the packaging. Looks good. Never heard of the brand, but next, Beauty For Real. I think I got a product from them like 2 months ago. So this is an eyeliner. I think it's a navy eyeliner from what I see. It's called In the Navy. Yeah, navy eyeliner. Ooh, really pretty. I don't have any eyeliner like that. Next, I got something by Finding Ferdinand. Never heard of this brand. It's a mini lipstick in the color rose gold. So that's actually really cute. It's like cute clear packaging and it's mini. It's a nice color. I have so many lipsticks though, so I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna swatch this. I might give this to my mom as well or put it in a giveaway. And the last thing is a hair product by the brand Verb. Also another brand I've never heard of. And this is a pretty small size. See Texture Cream, Amplify and Refresh. So it's a texture cream for my hair. It smells really good, it smells beachy. So yeah, I will try that out. I love these kind of products for my hair that are easy to use. So I'll definitely use that. I don't see directions, but I'm just guessing like you just add it to your hair for beach waves or something like that. So that's everything I got in my Ipsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the fam and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. XOXO. Bye.